these words. Y equal mx plus b. You wrote slope, intercept form, slope equal rise over run. What does this all mean?
I wrote it, I just copied it from the board.
So what does it mean?
It's just the equation for like a line.
You're parroting what they told you. You don't even know what it means. Now I'm going to teach you. So now let me show you this. Okay. And I'm not letting you go yet because I'm going to explain to you what you wrote over there. You wrote it, so you might as well explain it. Understand
Yeah.
it, right? Okay, see my screen? Am I sharing my screen? No, let me share my screen. Do you see my screen? And that's because there's a pattern here, because those points represent a linear relationship. All those points, the relation between x and y, the relationship between x and y creates a line. And I graph any two of those points and draw a line. All the points in that line on the fall along that, all the points that in that input output table fall into one line. Now we have rise over run. For every 1 unit increase in x, y goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The slope, the higher the number, the greater the relationship, the higher you go for each one.
Yeah.
Okay. If I would do this, 1, 1, that's a slope of 1. See this line? This line over here is steeper than this line over here. They have different slopes. So the slope is a measure of how steep a line is. Mathematically, we measure it by what we call the slope. The slope has a number. And the slope is the rise over the run. So the slope is a measure for every 1 increase in x, every time you go across the run, this is the run, x is the run, how high it goes up. So my example is, for every 1 increased value of x, we go up 6 values of y, right? The slope is the rise over the run. The rise is how much delta, now another fancy symbol, delta x, that means delta y, it's the change, delta, this triangle means delta means change.